Hello everyone, welcome to Bicycle Custom. Another new unboxing video of Machete MM-65 6.5 mid-range 130 RMS. Let's have a look what you've got inside. Manual instruction, stickers, warranty card, MM-65 6.5 inch size, 130 RMS, pressed paper with cloth surround material, the stamped steel frame, 1.5 inch voice coil. Frequency response on this one is between 120 Hz and 12,500. They are available on our website. Check them out at bicycle.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.